don't need to be hurried. You have to wait. 1. You see that? Look at me. I don't have a feeling. 1. My elbow comes. I'm waiting here, right? So I like this practice. 1. Meantime, my body stay here, right? And I can feel what kind of work has happens. Sometimes even we do something, but we don't realize what happens. It's normally. When we work, we don't know what happened, realize. We don't think about where is it go, where is it go. I don't think about this one, but it naturally happens. But to repeat, you need to feeling, you need to realize what happens here. Right? It's the same as 1, 2, 1, 2. Then 1, 2. Slow. 1, 2. Slowly. And then we can getting faster and then faster. 1, 2. Okay. See that? I try to be here, but we cannot see turns to here. But when I real swings, it looks like a stay. It looks like a pulse. But my intention is feeling like this. 1, 2. 1, 2. My feeling is like this.
You're on this side.
Yeah, this side.
Because the club is here.
Yeah, club is goes. Club goes. What I'm doing is this one. Club goes. It's a feeling like when you hit the hammer. When you hit the hammer, if the floor goes down, impact is very less. Even a fast, there's no hitting. There's no impact power. To impact the power, we need to press. To get the press, I need this. So this is a hammer. This is a feeling like edible. Yeah. Two bases. To strongly stay there, right? With more power, right? So when we can goes down, it's enough. There is no need to power. We need power, body by body. Push out is that power. When you push out, when you go here, when I push out, like this feeling. But to more concentrate on here, what we have to do is this work have to naturally happen. Is to think about like this one, feeling like this. Just goes and yes. So I don't do nothing. I just let it down. I just one and let it down. Yes. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yes. And then to make more power, I need power. To when it goes down, I need push. 1. Push.